Hi everyone, let's have problem number 9. Solve for x. In the equation, 3 to the x minus 6 times 3 to the negative x is equal to 1. So this equation is an exponential equation. So naa siya exponent, no? So exponential equation. So kung saan ito siya solve, no? Dili siya usual katong sa atong naghihatag nako sa una, mas dali to siya. So in this case, ato sa siyang i-eliminate ang negative exponent. So remember, if we have x to the negative n, this is just equal to 1 over x to the n. So remember the low exponents. So we have 3 to the x minus 6 over 3 to the x is equal to 1. Then, diba kabantay mo na parehas siya? So ako nang i-let og another variable. So let u be 3x, 3 to the x. So ato siyang i-let og another variable. Then substitute it to the previous equation. So atong ibalik dire. So mahimo siyang u minus 6 over u is equal to 1. Then multiply u to both sides of the equation. So mahimo, this will become u squared. Then negative 6 na lang din kani u. So we have u squared minus 6 is equal to u. Then you transpose u to the left hand side. So we have u squared minus u minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this one. Pwede na siya ma-factor out. So atong i-factor, so we have u minus 3 times u plus 2 is equal to 0. Then use the zero factor theorem, so we have u minus 3 is equal to 0, or u plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have u is equal to 3, or u is equal to negative 2. So, kay ang atong gihatag na given is in terms of x. So, atong i-replace ang u by 3x. Kaya hindi naman no, u is equal to 3x. So, pulihan lang nato siya 3x. So, 3x, 3 to the x is equal to 3, or 3 to the x is equal to negative 2. There is a first na equation. So, kay parehas naman siya og base, so that would be equal lang ang iyahang exponent. So, dere understood na ay 1. So, for x is equal to 1. So, in this case, second na equation, negative man siya. So, remember, walay negative na exponent. We mean, ang exponent, dili pwedeng iyang answer is negative. So, dili siya pwede, not possible. So, we will only have one solution, and that would be x is equal to 1. So, our solution set is only 1, which is 1.